Programming culture rewards unhealthy behaviors. Long hours at the computer, working late at night, being proud of how little sleep you got. In tech, this often isn't seen as a problem. It becomes part of your image. Deployed at 3 a.m., slept 4 hours but shipped the sprint. I work best under pressure. These aren't warning signs. They're stories the culture quietly rewards. And sure, pressure, deadlines, KPIs, that exists in many corporate jobs. What makes development different is that overwork is culturally normalized and narratively rewarded. Another part of the problem is the always-on mindset. Laptops, Slack, and notifications make it feel like work never really ends. Even when you're not coding, part of your brain is still on call. Part of the reason is that our work is invisible. Code that works doesn't make noise. Only when something breaks does the effort become visible. And then the person who sacrificed the most gets the recognition. Over time, this creates a loop. The more you work at the expense of your health, the more dedicated you appear. And the more dedicated you appear, the more responsibility you're given. And over time, this stops feeling like a system problem. It turns into a personal one. You feel guilty for logging off, for taking breaks, for protecting your time. That's when burnout becomes invisible. In the short term, this seems to work. In the long term, it leads to burnout. And interestingly, it's not the weakest developers who leave the industry. It's the most responsible ones, the ones who always stay a little longer, who always take on just one more thing. A healthy work style is not a lack of ambition. It's a requirement for long-term quality. Great systems are built by well-rested people. How does it look where you work? Is this changing or still the norm? If you like thoughtful takes on programming culture, consider subscribing.